Hello everyone! I'm Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated. So our goal is to make financial education available to everyone, regardless of status and professional background. So in this book, we will share with you a financial planning strategy that is simple, clear, doable, and easy to understand. No? So may mga naatinan na rin po akong seminar. So ito po talagang IMG, dito lang ako natuto kahit dun sa komplikadong mga insurance. Matututunan po natin yan sa workshop 2 na napakasimple lang pala. No? So we want the book's message to enable and inspire all Filipinos to become wealthy. Yan. So pakitype nga po, wealthy. 'Di ba? So may chance po tayong umasenso basta may gagawin po tayo. We want to make sure that no family is left behind when it comes to saving their future through financial education. So yan, no? Kung OFW ka, importante, no? Hindi lang puro padala. Kailangan ma-educate din natin yung pamilya natin kasi hindi naman habang buhay malakas tayong kumita. Hindi din naman habang buhay may kontrata tayo sa abroad. So, importante, may disiplina rin yung pamilya natin sa paghawak ng pera. Financial education made easy, no? May saying na plant what you want to harvest. If you want to harvest mangoes, plant mango tree. Hindi naman pwedeng mamunga ng santol, di ba? If you want to harvest tomatoes, plant tomatoes. However, if you want to harvest money, then learn to plant money. No? So, kahit na 10% pa kinikita ng mga investment, kung wala kang nilalagay, zero din yan. Tama ba? So, kailangan talaga kahit na pa 20-20 yan, simulan mo talaga. Okay? We want to inspire you to become your own financial educator. Thus, we remove the complexities and made the basic financial concepts in this book simple and easy to understand. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa IMG. Kahit na hindi ka nakapag-aral, high school graduate ka, maintindihan mo, no, yung savings, investment, and even the business. You must be educated about personal finances so you can decide for yourself what you need. So ako po kasi, nung unang nakuha kong insurance, mahal pala yun kasi nga natuto ako sa IMG. So kung nag-aral lang talaga ako, makakakuha pala ako ng mas murang insurance na kung ano lang yung kailangan ko, hindi siya complicated, 'di ba? So when you are equipped with knowledge, no salesman can offer you any complicated, overpriced, or undervalued financial products. So ang nakuha kong insurance noon is, I think ang binayaran ko is almost 39,000, no? And then ang insurance ko 800,000 lang. 'Di ba? So, I think ang na-charge sa insurance ko is more than 20,000 for that coverage. Pero dito sa IMG, mga around 6,000 lang siguro yun. 'Di ba? So, yun yung overprice pag kulang tayo sa financial education. Ultimately, what we hope for is that through financial education, you will buy and own a product because you understand its purpose. So ako po, yung unang policy ko, hindi ko talaga naintindihan. Ang gusto ko lang talaga ma-insured ako dahil that time ang parents ko po yung dependent ko. So yun lang. Pero dito sa IMG ang ganda kasi mag-attend ka muna ng workshop and then pag naintindihan mo, 'di ba? Alam mo na yung kailangan mong product, 'di ba? So sabi ni Bill Gates, if you were born poor, it's not a mistake. But if you die poor, it is a mistake. So yan, katamaran na yun, no? Talagang walang nagbago sa buhay natin. Lalo na kung nasa IMG na tayo, no? Kung 5 years ka na sa IMG, dapat, ano na yan, no? Kahit papaano, nakabuild ka na ng iyong asset. Kasi ibig sabihin, kung wala masyadong pagbabago sa ating personal finance, ibig sabihin, wala tayong ginagawa, wala tayong execution. Nobody should be more interested and invested in your financial future than you yourself. Pakitype nga, ikaw, di ba? So, ikaw, ibig sabihin talaga, walang ibang mag-iipon para sa iyo eh. 'Di ba? So, naisip ko rin yun eh. Yung kapatid ko, hindi naman ako pag-iipunan yan. Uutangan pa nga ako niyan, 'di ba? So, ikaw talaga, no? Kahit yung boss mo, paborito ka, hindi naman niya mag-iipon para sa'yo eh. So the government or your employer will not do it for you. It's your own responsibility to learn the simple rules of how money works. Understanding it is part of taking care of your family. No? Sa school, gusto natin na perfect yung anak natin, may honor, 'di ba? Pero we as a breadwinner, as a parent, no, ginagawa ba natin yung best para sa family natin? Kasi yung pag-iipon na ganyan, yung sacrifice na makaipon ka every payday, every month, yan yung talagang ano eh, pagiging responsable, 'di ba? Financial education and discipline can help you become wealthy. You can do it. You can control and save for your future. So, again, no, titignan natin dito, dalawa. Dalawa yung nakalagay. Mag-aral ka, education, and pag natuto, discipline, no, action.